Lot F306 is a 1971 Ford Torino GT with a 429 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning, and it sold for $60,500 on Friday, October 31st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 80,714 miles, and the highlights are one of only 203 Torino GTs produced with the 429 370 horsepower Cobra Jet V8 engine. And I'll read from the Marty report a little bit. It has the J-code engine, 429 4-barrel CJ engine Ram Air. So it's actually a 429 Cobra Jet Ram Air engine. One of only 123 produced with automatic transmission. One of one produced as equipped per Marty report. Select shift cruise-o-matic transmission. 325 traction lock differential. Factory air conditioning. Power brakes. Power steering. Color-keyed mirrors. Raised white letter tires. Laser striping. Vinyl bench seating. Factory AM/FM radio. Factory rear speakers. Tinted glass. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.